Hello. In this video, I'm going to go through using the BoldSign e-signature API to send a document out for signatures, and that document is going to have some pre-filled values in it. So let's get that set up. Here is BoldSign, and these are my templates. At this point, I can create a brand new template, or I can edit a template I've already updated. So either way, this is the same screen you're going to get. I have already browsed and gotten the file I want. And there has to be one role at least. The way it works, every role is a person you want to sign that document. So you have to have at least one. And next, here's a document. This is where you're going to add the required pieces. So I only have one profile, so I can only pick one here. But I'm going to add a text box and another text box for the field customer email. So I just added two fields to this file, and I do have to put a signature on it. There we go. So a signature. Now a couple things. These fields have properties. They're assigned to a particular person. And they have property, they have ID values, they have names. This one here, we're going to pre-fill, so I need to give it a name that's going to make sense to me later. Okay. So there we go. Two fields are assigned to customer. They have particular IDs. All right, let's save this. And I'm not going to use it for now. Here are all my templates. Here is my code. And this is just a simple console app. I'm starting with the BoldSign NuGet package. I've created my API client, which is going to give me a connection to BoldSign. And this thing, what I'm actually doing here is using the template client. This defines that I'm going to use the template to send the document out. Now, the form fields collection. This is where you pre-fill those fields. We have two fields, customer name, customer email, and I'm giving them some value. Chad the customer, and the email address. Now, both of these fields are assigned to the first role. So to the first role, I'm going to add this collection. Let it be available to them if we need to edit it. Then I'm adding these roles into send for sign, and I'm giving it the template ID from that template that you just saw. Template client, send using a template. This gives BoldSign all the definition it needs to go and send this out, and it actually does the sending of the document. Then here, every document that's sent gets a unique ID, and I'm going to record that just to see it. And let's let this run. Here is the unique document ID. And if we look at our email, I have an email here from me asking me to sign this document. I click on it. It takes me here. And as you can see, these fields have been pre-filled. Thank you for watching.